Where'd you put it? There it is. You ready? Are you ready? Good boy. Are you my smart 2-year-old boy? Huh? Ready? Do you want me to throw it or not? Okay. Go! All right. It bounced, love, but it's clearly next to you. Good boy. I'm not picking it up from there. You're still just as cheeky now as you were 2 years ago, huh? Hey, Winfield. Happy birthday. Look, love. It's a whack-a-mole. Give it a biff. You gonna give it a biff? Oh, you're not sure, are you? That's it. Best to just ignore it. I think it's cute. Look, there's a kitty. There's a little kitty. And there's a dinosaur. And there's a panda. And then another dinosaur. Yeah, you kill that dinosaur. Go and give it a biff. Give it a little biff. No, we're ignoring it. Well, they are terrifying lizards. And then another kitty. You good boy. The stick bit's meant for me to play with, and then you're supposed to biff the inside things. Yay, well done. You do the dinosaur? You can do the dinosaur? Oh, you want the cat. Real specifically want the cat. Pull him up. We'll get the hang of it. Good jump. Very mighty. Excellent frolic. What a good boy. Pet toy sort of a success. Winfield, come in. Winfield. Winfield. Taking the piss now. What's this, baby? What's this? Winfield. Winfield. You are being so annoying. Come on. What's this? What's this in your bowl? It's all the treats that you love. You want to come in and have it? Winfield. Good boy. I know. Meowing at me like, oh, why didn't you tell me? It's all the treats that you love. Happy birthday, Winfield. I'm going to come round and get you from the front while you nom on that food. Is that good? Is that good? What a good birthday boy. Yeah. Happy birthday, my love. Hey, Winfield. I know you're relaxing in your fly cave right now, but I have one question. Did you have a good birthday? Did you have a good birthday? A big 2-year-old boy. Happy birthday.